Luminar Mobile Photo Editor, easy picture editing with AI. So here's the app. All in on the go photo editor, creative companion for iPhone, iPad, and Vision Pro. Explore powerful AI driven tools and an interactive interface that responds to your touch, delivering uniquely engaging photo editing experience. Streamlined designed with unparalleled control. Luminar Mobile's user friendly design allows you to edit your photos with intuitive gestures. Smart AI enhancements like Sky AI, you can replace dull skies with brilliant ones. Enhance AI, enhance photo quality. Structure AI, unlock hidden details and clarity in your images. Relight AI, take full control over exposure. Skin AI, automatically retouch the skin. Body AI, shape subject midsection. So, quite powerful app. You can just so here you have it. So then you can just open it up. You can just Spring discount, so you can see a lifetime $48, 1 week $5, quite good weekly price. And then I don't know what I want to add it. Then just have like an editing. You can try different filters, so it's quite interesting filters in here. You can remove objects. You can So that's the idea of the app, how you can try it. I mean, this is just the basic starting. I guess there are apps which are a bit more advanced, to be honest, in AI editing. There are a bunch of apps here which are in the top charts, but you can try it. But this app is also like 700 megabytes in size. Uh, you can also see in here the how you can edit curves, and that's why people like it. You can edit this flashes on the skin and so on. So there you have it.